today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do your KYC from key of the blockchain. Okay, guys. So if you're just new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and share the video to the people that have no opportunity to see the video. Okay, and also like the video so that YouTube can share the video as well. Okay, guys. So without wasting much of your time, so this is the first thing you are going to do. You come to this icon here, that is human icon here. So you click on it. Okay, just click on it like this, and immediately you click on it and this place will pop up. What you are going to do is to come down to this key app. Okay, you click on the key app. So immediately you click on the key app here. So you click on the contact us. So immediately you click on the contact us here. So what you are going to do right now is to click on the app download so that you update your key. Okay, so app download. So after you click on app download, it will show up this official website download link. Okay, so you have to click on it like this. You click on it. So after that, you click on Android download. Okay, so it's downloading now. So immediately you have done this right now, what you are going to do now is to go back. So you can now see that it's downloaded already. You open it. So you first install it first on your phone. So you install it like this. So guys, after the verification have been sent to your email, so you have to copy it and insert it back. It will require your password again. Immediately you insert it, and email verification will just write like this to mark green and say email successful. Okay guys, so the face, it will show your face and everything. So the next thing is that this is how it will now be. It's not just the face ID collected. So the next step now, you wait for the next action. Okay, that is it guys.